Right, see you tomorrow. Well, I'm back out for another night's camping. Come out in the canoe because it was supposed to be such a nice dry evening. Going to head about a mile down the coast here and found somewhere to throw the hammock up. I wasn't too bothered about having a fire tonight, but I think I'm going to need one to dry my clothes off. So I brought the fishing gear with me tonight, thinking, you know, if it's nice and once I get the hammock set up, I'll probably have another hour or so of daylight, so I can go out and do a little bit of fishing. I don't think so. Oh, come on. This is ridiculous. Yeah, it'll be dry. It'll be nice. Nice pleasant evening out in the canoe. Well, that's me arrived at the spot I'm going to camp at. The tide's obviously running quite a bit higher than it was last time we were here, and there's a lot of seaweed up at the top, so I'm going to move over about 50 yards here. Got a nice little spot here. The view here is not too bad. There are worse places to spend the night. So first things first, I'll get the hammock up and try and gather some firewood. There's quite a few downed trees up there, so it shouldn't be too hard. Now, I had every intention of filming around the campsite when I got here, but by the time I get changed into some dry clothes and gathered some firewood and got the tarp up, it was dark. So, here you are. There's not a huge amount to show you anyway. It's just my usual setup, and my hammock, tarp, under blanket, down sleeping bag, and junk food, really. Yeah, that's camping. Oh, and the hip flask. Can't forget that flask. I did bring one other thing that I don't normally bring. Picked up a couple of these lanterns, the paraffin lanterns, the hurricane lanterns, whatever you want to call them. Picked a few of them up on Amazon. I think I get 3 for like 12 quid or something. I just want to see what they're like. They don't give a huge amount of light, but you can leave them on for hours and use very, very little fuel. Yeah, kind of useful for just having around the campsite. One other thing I'm testing now is this light. The last camping video I did, I was in some trees and it seemed quite bright to me, but when I looked at the footage afterwards, it was almost pitch black, so I figured I'd get a light for the camera. And this one, I can't see. We'll put a wee note of what this light is here somewhere, just in case anybody's looking for a really bright light that blinds you when you're trying to camp. But it was quite cheap and it's really, really bright. This actually on its lowest setting, I'll turn it up. Yeah, if you ever want to do any filming or photography at night, I would recommend one of these wee lights. It's just ridiculously bright. I did struggle to put the tarp up tonight a wee bit, apart from the fact that it was windy and it was raining and it was wet and it was cold. I've set it up a wee bit different. I haven't used a ridge line. I've got it attached to the hammock itself, but the ground here is pretty soaking, so I've got everything kind of tied off in weird places, and I'm using some DIY tent pegs, and it's not the best setup, but it'll do. It's actually getting quite cold tonight. So far the weather forecast has been completely wrong, hence the reason I get absolutely soaked in the way here. They better get it right for tomorrow, because I've got to paddle home and I don't particularly want to do it in really high winds or more rain, to be honest. I might turn this down a wee bit, it's getting a bit sooty. Don't know if anybody's ever used these before. You've got them turned up too high if it starts getting sooty or if you start getting smoke off it. So if it starts smoking, turn it down. Yeah, this is definitely my favourite time of day to go paddling. The water's just so calm, so quiet. It's just nice that if you can, this is actually the first time I've been out in the canoe where if I've stopped paddling, I'm still going vaguely in the direction I want to travel in. Quite pleasant. Just one of those fish pens. They actually look empty. Last time I was here, you could hear the fish jumping in the pens. There's not a sound off them today. It's absolutely gorgeous here this morning. The hills look amazing. Look at the mist coming over the top of them. The sun just kind of sitting behind the clouds. They're just so green. A really cracking morning to be out in the canoe. If I had the forethought, I would have put a trace on the end of the fishing line and I could have fished here. But as usual I was rushing to get back. No idea why, it's only 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, I've got to be anywhere. Yeah, I think my next trip's going to be back out in Loch Etive. As much as I like Loch Etive, I say you can fish here. Loch Etive you need a permit, which I'm contemplating getting, but is it worth paying 90 quid for a permit to do something I'm not going to catch anything with? See, Etive is really nice. And it tends, even though it's a sea loch, you're not usually any rougher than Loch Etive. So it's just as nice to paddle on. The difference being, if you want to go camping, I say the shoreline's not as nice. You can see a lot of debris washed up in the fish farms and fishing boats. And I say it's the tide washed all the junk up the beach. You don't really get a particularly pleasant beach to sit on. Whereas on the loch, you don't have fish farms. Well, you do have fish farms there, but they don't seem to give out the same level of rubbish as they do here in the sea loch. There's that little fucking seal again. I think it's the same one that's been tormenting me every time I come in this. I'll just blame him for me not catching any fish, ever. I do like seals, actually. Kind of like water dogs. Don't seem to be making very good time here. So there's not much wind, but any wind there is behind me. So I thought I'd been tearing along here. Just kind of plodding along slow. There's our seal again, following me. It's huge. Me. That was a seal right behind me. Come right out. Near on myself. He'd be just playing with me. Yeah, I'll leave the camera on in case he comes back. We might get some close-up shots of him from the canoe. It's huge. Yeah, he's stalking me. Cool. That camera better still be working. No, gone. See you later, fella. I keep thinking I hear that seal breathing again, but it's not. Oh, it was. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Just over there. Let's see if I can turn this around a little bit. He seems to wait until I start paddling before he goes back up, because he knows I can't point the camera at him. yeah, me and wildlife photography don't really go very well. Anytime I turn the camera on, whatever it is I'm wanting to take the photograph of flies or runs away. It appears they now swim away too.